first thing that you're gonna do is launch the TikTok apps, and then click on your desired video that you wanna download, and then click on those dots, and then scroll until you find the live photo, and then click on that. It will automatically convert the video into live photo, and then it will be saved in your photos. Then the next step is to screen record the live photo. So click on your screen recording, and then tap the screen to make it full screen. Tap and hold so that it will continue playing while you are recording the video until it ends, and then stop the recording. Then I'm gonna edit it in my editing apps. I am using Inshot Pro. Click on video, then click on new project, and then select the video that you have recorded. So right now I am editing it and adjusting the video. And also I have downloaded the original video from TikTok with Watermark, because I'm gonna extract the sounds of it to match the video that I have recorded. So I am done with the trimming. I am playing it again to check if the video will match the original video from TikTok. So I guess this is already perfect. So right now I'm gonna add the music on it, then click on the sounds, and then click on extract audio from the video, and then click on the video that you got from TikTok, and then adjust the video to match the sounds that you have extracted. And then at the end of this video you will see the final edit. So see ya!
2 hours later.
I'm shy. I'm so shy. I'm not shy, I'll say it. I've been picturing you naked.
Thank you for watching. I love you all. Kisses!
I heard the words